401s. There's a high-rise here, but I don't know how to get to it. Like, I don't even know where the high-rise bank is. The elevator just farted, nice. I'll take it out. Flexin'. I think that's actually the GAL lesson. Quick view out there. Empty. All right. I think everything's locked except for 1 and 6. Yeah. These are 401s for sure. Down to 1. And things are going up again. Oh! You can turn off the cabinet, or I don't know, maybe you can get past the key switch with that. I don't know. Turn off the cabinet. What am I saying? Sometimes I really am talking out of my ass in these videos. I'm more focused on filming than actually talking, so I say absolute gibberish sometimes. But maybe people don't notice. That's very good. That's it.